Hey everybody, today I just wanted to go over meal planning and how important it is. So in the group, I will have posted some blank meal planners for everyone to fill out. For me, I fill mine out a week in advance because I work full time, so I need to make my meal plan up before Sunday because I go grocery shopping on Sunday, get all my groceries then, prep up a bunch of stuff on Sunday. All my veggies are cut up, I cook a bunch of meat, and I know what I'm eating every single day. I also start work really early, so my lunches, breakfast, snacks while I'm at work are all done up the night before regardless, because at 4:30 in the morning I'm not making my lunches and breakfast for work. So you'll see, if you can see this, I'll have posted these blank in the group. This is mine all filled out. So if you are out of the house, working or whatever during the week, I would suggest probably making this up ahead of time. It makes it that much easier. If you are at home, if you're on mat leave or stay at home mom with your kids, it might make it easier for you if you fill it out as you go through the day, because you might not have everything planned out. You might just be grabbing, oh, I'm gonna have a veggie here, take your cup of carrots and go with your hummus, and then just mark that off. So if you can see here, I have written out what I'm having for my breakfast, and then when I'm making it, I just cross off here. Okay, yep, there goes a yellow for my oatmeal, so that I get everything off during the day. If you are doing it as you go, I would just write down, okay, I'm gonna have oatmeal and berries as my breakfast, cross off a yellow and a purple, and I would just do that. If you can see it, I would just cross it off as you go. You'll find out what works best for you. Everyone's different, but I think if I was at home all during the day, you probably would change your mind, or it's just easier to pick what you want as you go. I would still probably have a few things prepped out and in the fridge, so that if you're starving or you're running behind and need something quick, that you're not grabbing for that easy processed packaged snack or meat or whatever. You have real whole foods cut up or berries in the fridge or something. So I will have posted these blank ones that you can print off in the group. I will also post some sample ones so you can get an idea. I'll post mine as well. Mine is very repetitive because I eat the same thing every single day mostly. I eat my oatmeal and berries and hard-boiled eggs every morning for breakfast. For lunch, I have a salad with usually chicken and avocado and some seeds, and then my dressing is plain as well. It's just balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. Then I also have a cup of some kind of raw veggies, so usually carrots, cucumber, or peppers with some hummus. Then in my afternoon on my drive home, that's my snack. I have usually an apple, and then when I get home, I do my workout, and after that, I have my Shakeology. That's my treat, and I really like having that after my workout. It's just a refreshing treat, cools me down after my workout. It gives me something to look forward to, as well as having in the afternoon. That's when my cravings are the worst, like getting through from 2 till 6 at supper time. That is definitely my hardest time, so having that chocolate shake is a lifesaver. But some people might like to have it at breakfast. My sister and her husband have it every morning for breakfast, something quick to get them out the door. See, as I get up, I'm at the door at 5 a.m. I don't have breakfast until my first break at work at about 8. So I just drink a bunch of water from the time I get up until my first break. Sometimes, if I'm really starving, I'll have my one hard-boiled egg quickly at like 7 or something. I'll run to the fridge during work and get it. But otherwise, I usually don't eat my breakfast until 8. So the only thing that usually switches in my meal plan is my dinners, which I will have planned out throughout the week, but I don't eat the same thing every night. Some nights it will be the same if I don't mind leftovers, but some people don't like leftovers or they have a big family to feed for. So you will be making something different every night. Throughout this group, I will be posting a bunch of recipes to help. There is the Beachbody blog. It has a bunch of recipes on there, as well as at the bottom it'll tell you the nutritional facts and the containers per serving, which is amazing. I get so many recipes off there and post them in my support group. You probably see them all the time, but I will post recipes. Hopefully I'll try to every day in here, as well as any tips and tricks. I will post how some different ways that I cook my chicken and my roasted veggies. So if you still don't have your package, don't worry. I will get everyone, hopefully be able to start with us on the Mondays. This is just a basic prep week for this week to get everyone started. If you do want to start right away, no problem, that's fine. On the 8th, I think, is next Monday. I'll start 21 days of challenges, so every day I'll post a challenge, check in and do that challenge, because at the end there'll be a prize for the person that has the most points from each of the challenges. And message me anytime or post in the group. If you are having that question, I guarantee there's someone else that has that question too, and no question is silly. Honestly, I never thought I would be able to portion control, and I've been doing it for over a year now, and it's so easy. I can do it in my sleep now. It's just how I make my meals, and it's so easy. So hopefully this was helpful. My video isn't that clear, but the planners will be posted in the group, so feel free to print them off. Oh, and Pinterest as well is an amazing source for recipes or sample meal plans to give you some ideas. Hope everyone's having a good day.